Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Whenever you press function key on the HP laptops, you see HP Hotkey Support dialog box, and as a result you are unable to use the function keys. In this video, I am going to show you how to get rid of HP Hotkey Support dialog. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. First of all, close this dialog box. After that, click on the search icon and type services. When the same app appears in the search results, click to open it. In the Services app, scroll down and locate HP Hotkey UWP Services. Double-click on it to open the properties. Here, using the Startup type drop-down, select Disabled, and after that stop the service. And then Apply and click OK. Now close everything and restart your computer. After that, you need HP Hotkey Support setup file. I will add the link in a description. From there you can download it to your computer. Once you have it, run the setup file and then follow on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Once done, you will be asked to reboot your computer to apply the changes. When you restart it, it will install few updates, which is an automatic process, so let them complete. Once done, log in using your credentials, and after this, if you try to use function keys, it will work without annoying dialog box that appeared previously. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.